Sparrows are known for being small birds that live in our cities and are common in many parts of the world. However, what many don't know is that these birds have a fascinating secret life. They are great travelers and can fly long distances in search of food and habitats. Furthermore, they are able to adapt to different environments and weather conditions. This is possible thanks to their ability to adjust to their location due to environmental changes. One of the most incredible abilities of sparrows is their navigational skills. They have an intrinsic sense of direction that allows them to make long and precise journeys to find food sources and suitable habitats. Additionally, sparrows possess skills that allow them to create complex structures to protect their young. This includes building nests, creating clearings, and using materials to build platforms. These skills also allow sparrows to defend themselves against predators and competitors for resources. Beyond their navigational and nest-building abilities, sparrows also have impressive communication skills. They use a variety of sounds, including songs and calls, to communicate with other sparrows. This includes communication between parents and offspring, between partners, and other members of the society. Furthermore, sparrows are known for their ability to mimic the sounds of other birds and even other animals. This allows them to play an important role in the ecosystem as mediators of communication and information. The adaptation and evolution of sparrows are also very interesting characteristics. Did you know that sparrows, those little birds that inhabit every corner of the city, possess a secret life full of excitement and unprecedented adventures? They are undoubtedly some of the most fascinating animals that share our daily lives, and it's incredible to discover how they generate resilience and incredible skills to survive in such varied environments. Furthermore, sparrows are indeed great travelers, and their journeys span miles across the land and its surroundings. They adapt to the wettest and driest environments, to pastures and forests, and their ability to fly in search of food or shelter is one of the most impressive skills we can find in nature. Therefore, in this video, we will discover the secret life of sparrows and how they become such great travelers. We will delve into the most hidden spaces of nature and confront the challenging climatic conditions to which sparrows adapt. We will also explore their surprising abilities, from extreme speed to sound reading and shape recognition. If you enjoy learning about nature and animals, this channel is perfect for you. Here, you will find educational and interesting content about the natural world, focusing on animals like sparrows, which are so fascinating and admirable. We will not only present interesting facts about sparrows, but also explore how they adapt to our cities, forests, and prairies. We will learn about the importance of sparrows in the ecosystem and how they relate to other animals and plants. We will also discover how sparrows fly, how they build their nests, and how they raise their young. And, of course, we will present incredible videos that show how sparrows interact with their environment and how they become so cunning and resilient. Therefore, if you're ready, the sparrow, an extremely resilient and intelligent bird, has the ability to adapt to different environments, from thorny forests to densely populated urban areas. They are easily recognized by their brown and blue plumage, with a white underside, and their characteristic crest, which leans back when they feel threatened. The bird's ability to find their way back home, even after long journeys, is an example of their navigational skills. They use a complex communication system, based on vocalizations and body language, to communicate with each other and share important information, such as the location of food and water. The birds are also known for their ability to build complex nests, using materials such as plant fibers and straw, and lining them with dry leaves. These nests are designed to protect their young from predators and ensure their well-being. The bird's ability to adapt to different environments is another important skill that contributes to their survival. They can be found in different ecosystems, from tropical forests to temperate grasslands, and are able to move between them according to the seasons and food availability. Their ability to survive in different environments is also a reflection of their communal lifestyle. The birds are known for their colonies, which can be grouped around prosperous food sources or in protected areas. They are able to adapt to their social network and work together to obtain resources and protect their young. The evolution of birds into great travelers is also influenced by the search for food. They are known for their ability to seek out and consume different types of fruits, seeds, insects, and other foods found in their natural habitats. To survive, communicating with other sparrows is an impressive skill they develop naturally. They use different calls to communicate about food, predators, and even the availability of mates. For example, when a sparrow discovers a food source, it emits a specific call to alert other sparrows to the presence of food. In addition, they use calls to warn about the presence of predators, such as falcons and other predators that may damage their nests or harm their young. Now that you know more about the secret life of sparrows, here are some practical tips you can apply to help these animals. Create a sparrow-friendly habitat in your garden, including plants that provide food and water. This means offering seed mixes, fruit seeds, and fresh fruits like cherries, blueberries, and figs, which are considered one of the sparrow's main foods. Also, make sure the environment is safe and risk-free, with platforms and nets so sparrows can move around comfortably. Another tip is to offer healthy food for sparrows. Avoid offering processed foods, as they can be harmful to sparrows' health. Instead, opt for natural foods like seeds and raw fruits. Also, make sure the food is fresh and doesn't spread disease. Sparrows are very sensitive to what they eat, so it's crucial to respect their diet. To attract sparrows to your area, it's crucial to create an environment that is attractive to them. This can include plants that are able to provide protection and shelter, such as rose bushes and hydrangeas. Also, ensure the environment is clear and free of obstacles, allowing sparrows to fly freely. Another important aspect is respecting the sparrow's privacy. Make sure nests are undisturbed. Sparrows have learned to find food in different places and protect themselves from predators. This is the daily life of sparrows, small and skillful birds that inhabit diverse regions of the planet. They are known for their ability to adapt to different environments, from dense forests to deserted beaches. Studies show that sparrows are capable of flying long distances in search of food. According to a study published in the scientific journal Science, sparrows can fly up to 500 kilometers in search of new habitats and sources of nutrition. This ability is essential for the survival of this type of bird, as food scarcity is one of the main challenges they face in their natural environment. In addition, sparrows are also known for their ability to communicate. They have a complex vocabulary that allows them to express their feelings and needs. Based on studies, it seems that sparrows use different vocalizations and gestures to communicate with each other, demonstrating a surprising ability of expression and emotion. The intelligence of sparrows is another impressive characteristic. They are able to solve problems and learn from their experience. According to a study published in the journal Animal Behavior, sparrows are able to learn how to obtain food at different stages of maturity, demonstrating an ability to adapt and reason. Furthermore, they are also able to identify and avoid predators, demonstrating an impressive ability of defense. The life of sparrows is full of challenges and surprises. They need to adapt to changes in the environment, such as habitat loss or climate change. However, these skillful birds have also developed strategies to protect themselves from predators and compete for food. They are known for their escape and fighting skills, demonstrating impressive strength and resilience. Sparrows, despite being common animals, have a fascinating secret life full of surprises. They are capable of flying long distances and have adapted to different habitats, from forests to beaches. However, it is important to respect their natural habitats and avoid disturbing their nests, as this can threaten the survival of individuals. Furthermore, it is essential to remember that sparrows are social animals and live in groups, which means that the loss of a community member can have dire consequences for the entire group. Therefore, the destruction of their natural habitats can have a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. Another important point is that sparrows are very adaptable animals and can become dependent on artificial food sources, such as water cisterns and feeding stations. While this may seem positive, their dependence on artificial sources can negatively affect their ability to survive in natural habitats. In addition, pollution and environmental degradation can lead to premature death of individuals and the collapse of populations. It is important to remember that sparrows are also important participants in the food chain and are food sources for many species. In addition, their ability to pollinate flowers and fruits is fundamental to the functioning of nature. In short, sparrows are incredible animals that have a fascinating secret life full of surprises. They are capable of flying long distances and have adapted to different habitats, and their ability to survive in natural habitats is fundamental to the functioning of nature. It is important to respect their natural habitats, avoid disturbing their nests, and offer healthy food to ensure the survival of these incredible animals. Don't miss any videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. This is the best way to not forget about new content and contribute to the growth of our community. Also, by always being connected, you will be accessing exclusive content and unlocking special benefits. Our team works hard to create innovative and interesting content, and it is thanks to the support of our communities that we can continue to offer more than just videos, but a complete experience. House sparrows are known as small birds that live in our cities and are common in many parts of the world. However, what many don't know is that these birds have a fascinating secret life. They are great travelers and can fly long distances in search of food and habitat. Some sparrows are capable of flying more than 1,000 kilometers in a single journey, which is an impressive distance for such a small bird. Others, on the other hand, are more sedentary and prefer to live in only one or two places throughout their lives. But what's even more surprising is that these birds have their own complex communication system. They can emit various different sounds, including warning calls, alarm sounds, and even songs. Furthermore, they also have an impressive ability to memorize places and routes, which helps sparrows find their way back to their homes after long flights. This is possible thanks to their orientation system, which is composed of a combination of vision, hearing, and light sensitivity. However, sparrows are not only peculiar in their life habits and communication methods, they also play a fundamental role in the ecosystem. They help control the population of insects and other small animals that can be harmful to plants and other animals. In addition, sparrows are able to adapt to different environments and weather conditions, which is a fascinating characteristic that allows them to survive in various scenarios. This is possible thanks to their ability to adjust to their location due to environmental changes, whether in urban, rural, forest, or coastal areas. They experience changes in food patterns, shelter, and mates, remaining stable and productive in their respective communities. One of the most incredible abilities of sparrows is their navigation skills, which are as impressive as those of some marine animals. They have an intrinsic sense of direction that allows them to undertake long and precise journeys, whether in search of food, shelter, or mates. This ability is then used to find food sources and suitable habitats, allowing them to explore previously unknown areas. Furthermore, this ability allows them to communicate with each other, exchanging information about the location of food sources and the presence of predators. Beyond their navigational abilities, sparrows possess remarkable intelligence, which allows them to adapt to new situations and solve problems quickly and efficiently. They are able to learn from their experiences, developing strategies to avoid dangers and obtain food. This is possible thanks to their reasoning ability, which allows them to assess risks and rewards and make informed decisions. An interesting characteristic of sparrows is their ability to form social groups, or flocks, which are essential for their survival. These groups are composed of birds of different ages and sexes, who work together to protect the young, find food, and avoid predators. Moreover, these social groups allow sparrows to communicate with each other, exchanging information and coordinating actions. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning about the natural world more deeply, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to access a universe of educational and interesting content. This is essential for us, as it helps us create more informative and fun materials about nature and the animals that capture your attention.